AI music is evolving fast, but most AI artists feel generic. So I decided to build one with a real identity, a real brand, a real world. This is the Ledger. In a world split between what's real and what's hidden, one voice stands in the middle. He's not just an AI rapper, he's a truth teller, a bridge between street instinct and digital vision. Born from data, shaped by reality, designed to see what others ignore. This is the Ledger, a voice built on duality, human confidence, machine precision. Every bar he spits, every symbol he carries, every glitch in his world, it all comes from one purpose: to reveal the truth. Every great artist starts with identity. Not the visuals, not the logo. Identity. Who is he? What does he stand for? What does he sound like? For the Ledger, I built a persona based on duality, the digital prophet and the shadow rapper. He's confident, he's observant, he's a truth teller. He sees the world from two angles, the streets and the system behind them. That duality drives everything: his voice, his visuals, his story, his brand. Next, I needed a symbol, something iconic, something that represents truth, vision, and duality. So I designed the digital eye, a geometric eye split down the middle, one side clean, one side glitched, a perfect reflection of who he is. This logo becomes the anchor for his entire brand, on covers, on thumbnails, on visuals, on everything. Next, I created a thumbnail system, the Ledger on the left, the digital eye on the right. Bold, futuristic text, dark background with neon accents, glitch on one side only. This gives every upload a consistent, recognizable look, the kind of branding that builds a real fan base. And when you put it all together, the identity, the logo, the visuals, the covers, the thumbnails, you get a complete AI artist. Not just a voice, not just a face, a brand, a world, a story. If you want the prompts, templates, and full breakdowns, check the description and follow the Ledger. The future is already here.